Okay, so the product that I will show you guys today in this video are all under rupees 500 and they are starting from rupees 200. So without any further ado, let's dive in.
Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back again with another video, and today's video is all about affordable makeup finds for beginners all under rupees 500. वैसे तो I don't know a lot about makeup, but since my sister got married 2 years ago, I have been investing a lot of my time in finding budget friendly makeup products which are also of good quality. So इन सब टाइम में मैंने कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स ढूंढ निकाले हैं जिनकी क्वालिटी भी अच्छी है and they are affordable and they are perfect for people who doesn't do makeup daily but they want to look put together occasionally. So the makeup products that I will show you guys today in this video all are under rupees 500 and they are starting from rupees 200. So without any further ado, let's dive in it. So the first product of the day is this Mars gripping primer, which helps in gripping our makeup perfectly to our face. See, this is the product and it retails for rupees 349. It has shelf life of 4 years and this is a 30 ml tube. So I have bought it after seeing a lot of Instagram videos on how versatile it is and how good it is in keeping our makeup intact on our skin, but I have used it very rarely. I always forget that I have a primer. So but whenever I have used it, I guess this does the work. This is good for us beginner people. Now second off, we have this product. See this, okay. So this is Insight Makeup Essentials Radiance filter. It's a tint, it's a glowy tint, and I saw a lot of reviews about this product, and people claimed that it is dupe of Elf Radiant, that Elf product which gives the tint, shiny tint to our face. So let me show you how does this look. You see, okay, it's very similar to my skin tone, so that's why it's not visible. So it gives a very rare shine to your face. It doesn't make much of a difference, it's not that dramatic, but yeah, it does the work. As per the price, it's good. And also I will mention all the product links in the description because I don't remember the price exactly. Whatever is written on the box, I am sharing that with you here in the video, but I don't exactly remember it, so you can check the description box for all the product links. Next up is the concealer to hide all the dark circles and acne marks. तो ये मैंने लिया था 2 साल पहले, I guess, and it still has some shelf life left. It will get expired in September next month. It's of Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte liquid concealer in the shade 24 beige. और ये अच्छा, ये medium coverage देता है. It doesn't give you a lot of coverage, but this one is good. And now again, after looking and doing a lot of research, I found this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. It comes in a packaging of 6 gram. The shade is 02 Sand Sable and it has shelf life of 5 years. I'm sorry, it has shelf life of 4 years, and this one is really good as per the price point. It gives a really good coverage and it hides the marks and the dark circles very nicely. See, this is it, and the blendability is also really good. See, it's blended already. Now next up we have this Blue Heaven all-in-one makeup stick. HD stays up to 12 hours and it's in the shade Vanilla 101. The packaging is of 10 gram and this is how it looks. You see, this is how it looks, and I guess this will do all the work of a concealer, foundation, contour, all those things. This stick will do. I have used it 2-3 times. I have recently bought it. I have used it 2-3 times and I just do it on my face and then blend it. I don't know how to use it exactly, but this one does the work. It's for the people who don't like to apply foundation on their face. Now next up we have this Insight Duo 2-in-1 stick. it has highlighter on one side and conceal or contour stick on the other side. It's in the shade 2. Let me show you the highlighter stick. See, you see this, and it gives really good pigment, and the particles and the highlighter particles, they are also not chunky. Let me show it to you again. And the other one is this contour stick. You do this to define your jawline, hide your double chin, define your nose. So this is what it's used for, the contouring. I don't exactly know if I am using it right, but I have used it 2-3 times on my jawline to make it more sharp. And the next product is this, my favorite. It's the blush from Mars, and it's in the shade Flush of Love. This also has 4 years of shelf life, and it retails for rupees 300, 299. And if you are buying it from Myntra, you will always get a good amount of discount on the product. And this is so pretty.
This is a very subtle, flushed natural blush look. Let me put it right now. See? This one is my favorite. I have nothing on my face right now. And still you see? This is, okay, that's put a lot. But I love it. And it will go a long way. And it on the nose.
Rosy cheeks. Next product is this mascara. Okay, it's from the brand STAZE 929. It's a volumizing waterproof mascara, and it's that tubing mascara. I don't know if you people know about tubing mascara. It's that mascara, once you apply it, it's waterproof, but when you have to remove it, you just have to wet your eyes. अपने आँखों को पानी से धो लो, थोड़ी देर छोड़ो, उसके बाद अपनी eyelids को ऐसे करना है, ऐसे, and the mascara will come off without any rubbing and understood. And let me see if I have anything more to show you people today. I don't use foundation, but I used to use, there is one more product, 2 more products left. So I don't use foundation because I think it will make me look like a clown. So I used to use BB cream, and I have one with me right now. It's of Pond's, but the issue is I bought it in a very dark shade, and I don't use it anymore. See, this is very dark for my skin. Way too dark, but this gives a good coverage. It also hides all the marks on your face, so this one is good. And I, before buying this blush that I have just applied from Mars, I have bought this Swiss Beauty. I have 3 more products, this one and 2 more apart from this. So where is it? So I was telling, no, there are 4, there are 3 more left. So
Swiss Beauty Craze eyeshadow and blusher palette. Let me show you guys how does it look. Also it retails for 349 rupees. Again, if you are buying it from Myntra or any other e-commerce website, you will get a good amount of discount. It has shelf life of 4 years again. And let me show you how amazing it is. It's very compact and it's very travel friendly for, again, for beginners who don't do a lot of makeup. But this one is good if you are traveling and you don't want to take the eyeshadow separately and the blush separately. So this is how it looks. See, this is the one, and then when you open it, you have these 4 colors, the eyeshadow color palette, and when you open this, this is a blusher, and it's also very pigmented. Let me show it to you. You see, this color is really, it's like bubblegum pink, and you also get a you also get a mirror. So this one is a good deal. Next up, we have this
Swiss Beauty Baked Blusher and Highlighter Palette. This also retails for 349, and it has shelf life of 4 years again. I bought it 2 years ago itself. I still have 1 more year for this to get expire, and this is how it looks. These all are really pigmented. Let me show it to you guys. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, You see the shine, the glitter particles are not that chunky.
All that sunscreen on my face and still my hand on my face. Oh my god.
Okay, and now we have this eyeliner and stamp duo from Swiss Beauty Craze. This is smudge proof. This also comes with 4 years of shelf life. I don't remember the price again. I bought it from Swiss Beauty website itself. There was a sale going on. I bought 2 or 3 products. So this comes with, this is the eyeliner. So at one side you have this tip. You have this tip.
You have this tip, okay, and the other side you have this stamp for people. Okay, where is it? It's good for the people who don't know how to apply eyeliner.
And I bought it with a lot of hope that I will start applying eyeliner and do eye makeup, but still I don't apply eyeliner a lot. Let me show you how does this
Work. You have to do this. See? And then you have to draw over it to make it even. I mean, I have just shown you guys a demo, but if you're doing it properly, it does the work.
Okay, so the last product of the day is, after doing all the makeup, what is the step that's left? It's fixing the makeup, making sure that the makeup doesn't buzz off. So the last product is this Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer. It comes in a packaging of 50 ml. It keeps makeup intact, hydrates and refreshes, and it's non-sticky, people. But I don't feel like that it's non-sticky, because whenever I spray it on my face, it makes my face like this. Like I'm, for few seconds, for fraction of second, it makes me feel sticky on my face. And it also retails for $349. Comes with 3 years of shelf life. Before this makeup fixer, I had one that I bought 2 years ago, and it was of Swiss Beauty, and I guess that was better than this. That Swiss Beauty wala makeup fixer, and it used to feel like water on my face, but I feel that this one is a little heavy, so I don't know how to feel about it. So guys, that's it for today's video. ये थे मेरे सारे makeup products that are under 500, starting from rupees 200. Please let me know if you will try any one of them, or if you are already using any one of them, and please subscribe to my channel so that I can get the motivation to make more such videos. And also मुझे बताना if you guys want part 2 of it, in which I can share the kajal finds, the makeup brushes that I use, and the lipsticks that I use. I have a huge collection of lipsticks and lip liners, so let me know if you want to see that. See you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment box sharing how did I do today. Also, don't forget, life is beautiful, so are you. See you soon. Sayonara. Bye bye.